how to delete Game Pass on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove or delete Game Pass in Roblox. Please donate. So then to begin with, first of all, open up the browser and then log in into your account. So for that, type in roblox.com on the search box and make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you want to delete your Game Pass for. Once you're logged into your Roblox account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, tap on the create button from the top, and after that it's going to take you to the creators page. Here, go ahead and tap on dashboard once again. After that, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see all of your information. So basically what you'll have to do is, first of all, you need to select the particular game that you wish to delete. So for example, I just have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. Once you've selected the place, you can see associated item in the left hand side bar. Tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So that's it from the top. After that, you'll be able to see all sorts of information. You need to open up the passes now. After that, it's going to take you to this page. So in order to remove it, what you can do is you can just go to seal. After that, you can just toggle the button that is item for save. Just turn it off and you can just go ahead and tap on save changes as well. Once you've done that, head back to your basic settings and here you'll be able to see that this particular item has been off to sell. Now it's been updated, so when we go back to it, you'll be able to see off sale. Basically, it means that you might have removed the game passes. Now what you need to do is, in order to see the update, you'll need to log out of your Roblox account and once again head over to your game passes, and here you'll be able to see that you have successfully deleted or removed your game pass in Roblox. Please donate. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.